Good morning, second grade. Miss Fogelman here for your reading lesson. Let me share my screen. All right, so this week we are starting a new topic called Author's Purpose. And our learning target is I can identify the author's main purpose of a text, including what the author wants to answer, describe, and explain. All right. Our connection is you may notice that an author may have a reason for writing a text. There are 3 reasons an author may write a text: to answer, to describe, or to explain. Okay, so when it says to answer, that means that it's answering a question for you. To describe means it's telling you more about something, or to explain is more of explaining how to do something or telling you about how to do something. What is author's purpose? Author's purpose is the main reason why the author wrote the text. We can ask these questions when reading to help us. Why did the author write this? What does the author want you to know? So, like I was saying, the 3 main reasons why an author would write a text are to answer a question, which means the question is stated. So you could say, why is global warming occurring? Or how did a flamingo's color happen? So these are questions that are stated at the beginning and are answered through reading the text. Explaining tells, teaches, or gives information, explains how something works or why something happens. Okay, so an example could be describing is now tells how something or someone looks, uses adjectives, and helps you paint a picture in your mind. So describing is those describing words we call adjectives, okay? How something or someone looks, whereas explaining teaches you how to do something, okay? It could explain to you how cupcakes are made or how to make the best cheeseburger, okay? It's explaining it to you. It could also explain to you why something happens, which is why does lightning occur? Okay, so that's the big difference between explaining and describing. Describing tells you how something or someone looks. Explaining tells you how something works or why something happens. An author may write to answer a question. You can ask yourself, does the author ask a question? Did the author answer a question? So in this one, it says, how was cereal invented? During the Civil War, many people were sick because they didn't eat enough healthy food. A man named Dr. Jackson mixed water with graham flour and baked it. The cereal had no taste, but had to be soaked overnight in milk before eating. It was called granula. So what is the main purpose? Okay. The main purpose is to answer a question, right? Because here's the question. How was cereal invented? An author may write to answer a question. How do you take care of a pet rabbit? Pet rabbits need to be looked after closely. They can chew cords when people are not looking. Rabbits don't like to sit in people's laps, but they may come sit close to you. Feed your rabbit plenty of greens such as hay and grass. The main topic is how to take care of your pet rabbit. The author's purpose to write this text is to explain how to do something, right? The author is explaining to you how to take care of your pet rabbit. The author said that you must feed your rabbit plenty of greens, such as hay and grass, and that you need to look after your rabbit closely. You can look for question words such as who, what, when, where, why, or how to see if an author is asking a question. Okay, so if the author's asking a question, they are using these question words. All right, make sure you try this on your own with the worksheet that I put into Shobi. All right. Have a good day.